Mitigation that will help climate change digress would be the best thing for our planet. If this is left unchecked, our planet would continue to get warmer and would be damaged beyond our help. This progress in this would take multiple years and a complete lifestyle change for a lot of people. Scientists and lawmakers believe that limiting the global mean temperature through reduction in emissions would be extremely challenging. Instead, they decided to look at other options such as geoengineering or climate intervention actions. There are two different ways to do this. One is through carbon dioxide removal and the other is through solar radiation management. The state of New York has recently just signed a bill to eliminate all greenhouse gas emissions by the year 2050. This was a response to the Trump administration's loosening or abandoning environmental regulation on power plants and vehicles. Between 1990 and 2015, the state of New York has only been able to slash their emissions by 8%, so the task will be quite daunting. Part of the fear is by doing this, New Yorkers are going to be paying a lot more for their electricity than in years past. Currently, New York is already having 60% of its electricity from carbon-free sources from nuclear power plants, hydroelectric dams, and some from wind and solar power. According to the article, about 25% of emissions from New York come from homes or commercial buildings, since they use natural gas or fuel oil for heating. It will be a great accomplishment for the state of New York to achieve this. The citizens there will have a lot of adjusting to do over the next 30 years.